Where to find the best sites. Snakes, spiders and insects. Howdy! You want more information about how to keep ants out of a dog bowl outside? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to keep ants out of a dog bowl outside is www.wikihow.com. See the page titled How to Keep Ants Out of Pet Food, with pictures, WikiHow. Here's the link. You can also try www.youtube.com, especially the page How to Keep Ants Out of Your Pet's Food Bowl. YouTube. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site everythinghomewithcarol.com. The web page How to Keep Ants Out of Pet Food Bowl, Everything Home. This is the link.